Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into this video. Modelones sent me their 11-piece Iridescent Mylar Flakes Polygel Kit to try out, and it's so pretty. So I'm going to be showing everything that came. So the first thing I have here is the 120-piece plastic dual forms. I've only used the dual forms once and it wasn't that bad. I just prefer using nail tips. Then the base and top coat, the packaging of the base and top coat seems a little different. The polygel brush, slip solution, a mini nail file, and the polygel. I did not expect the two bonus glitter aqua gels I got, but they are so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for y'all to see it. So I'm just going to be swatching the colors on a paper towel, and if you'd like to purchase from Modelones, you can use my code CHE10 to get 10% off. That is CHE10, all caps. So there is a heart shape, butterflies, squares, hexagons, and star shape polygel flakes. I love them all. I have no favorites. All of them are amazing. Then there's Tiffany Pink, which is this pretty glitter pink polygel, and Royal Crown, which is this gold polygel. So let's get started. I applied my tips off camera to save some time. Next, I'm using ProDip Prep to dehydrate my nails. You can use rubbing alcohol or acetone to do this. Then I'm using my Modelones base coat, so I apply a layer to my natural nails and cure it for 30 seconds. I'm using rubbing alcohol as my slip solution. One day I should use the slip solution that comes with the polygel kit, but there was a time I used the slip solution from another brand and the nails came out with some white spots. That was the first and last time I ever used the slip solution included in the kit, but I should try again someday. I'm starting on the pinky nail with the square glitter flakes, so I applied it to the tip and then pat it into place. It was a little sticky at first, but it's manageable. Also, I always try to remember to put on sunscreen on my hand to protect my hand. I do not want to have aging skin this early on in my life. You all should do the same. Make sure you have on sunscreen when you're putting your hand in the lamp. Then I flash cured for 10 seconds and then I placed a bead at the cuticle area, then flash cured again. I do not cure the nails fully because I'm trying to eliminate the amount of time I have to place my hand in the lamp. I don't know if it would work for dark colors because those colors need to be cured fully. So you would need to experiment to see. I would still do it with the dark colors, but I'm just saying, just in case it doesn't work out for you, don't blame me. On the ring nail, I'm using the heart-shaped polygel glitter. All of the polygels were really pretty and super easy to work with. I just couldn't get enough of them. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm really starting to love polygel now. It's kind of fun. I wanted to showcase these polygels by doing a simple design, nothing too fancy. I wanted you all to see how they looked, and I really didn't know what to do with these glitters. They were so beautiful. I was really stumped when I saw them. I couldn't figure out what design to do with them, but I'm glad I did this simple mani to show them off. I really think I'm getting a lot better when it comes to polygel, and I want to be doing more polygel nails soon. And also, if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. On the middle nail, I'm using the Butterfly Glitter Polygel. The butterflies in this polygel was a lot compared to the other polygels. On the index nail, I'm using the hexagon shape polygel glitter. On the thumbnail, I'm using the star shape polygel glitter. It's been a while since my thumbnail matched the rest of my fingers. Now I'm using this Modelones clear polygel that I had laying around. This polygel was so soft, I like it a lot. It made encapsulating the nails easier. It was not stiff at all. So I just placed it on the nail and flash cured all of the nails for 10 seconds, and when I reached the last nail, I cured the nails for 30 seconds. Then I remove the sticky layer with some rubbing alcohol. Next, I file the nails off camera because polygel is really dusty. I think I have to buy a dust collector. I know a lot of y'all want to see my filing routine, but I can't do it all the time because of the dust. Usually I would file my nails outside, but I'm gonna buy one so y'all could see my filing. Stay tuned for that. Then I top coated the nails with some matte top coat and cured for 30 seconds. So which one do you guys prefer? Do you like it matte or shiny? I like both of them, to be honest. They were really pretty either way. In the end of the video, you will see that I did the nails shiny as well. So let me know in the comments which one you like. And I also lowered the lighting so y'all can see how gorgeous the glitters really are and how they pop in low lighting. Then I apply the cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So the Modelones Polygel Kit was really nice to use. They were a little sticky at first, but after a while it was manageable. I've always loved Modelones products and their Mylar Flakes did not disappoint. They are just so beautiful. Oh my goodness, if you purchase this kit, you will love it. I had no issues with the polygel. I would highly recommend you purchase them if you're looking for some polygel like this. You can use my code, it will be listed below with a link. So this is in bright lighting. So this is what it looks like, shiny, pretty, huh? Anyway, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!